Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see about the process verifiable and exculpable outsourced attribute-based encryption for access control in cloud computing. Then comes the abstract of our process. So here we propose two ciphertext policy attribute-based key encapsulation mechanism schemes so that for the time achieves both outsourced encryption and outsourced decryption in two storage models and give corresponding security analysis. In our schemes, heavy competitions are outsourced to encryption service providers or the decryption service providers. So by leaving only one modular exponential competition for the sender or the receiver. Moreover, we propose a general verification mechanism for a wide class of ciphertext policy, that is the attribute-based key encapsulation mechanism schemes, which can check the correctness of the outsourced encryption and decryption efficiently. Consequently, we introduce a stronger version of verifiability and a new security notion for outsourced decryption called exculpability, which guarantees that a user cannot accuse decryption service provider of returning incorrect results. While it is not the case with all these mechanisms, all dispute between a user and the outsourced computation service providers can be easily resolved. Furthermore, a service provider will be less motivated to give out wrong results. Finally, we implement our schemes and the results indicate the proposed schemes mechanisms are efficient and practical. Then comes the flow diagram of our process. So here the diagram shows our process diagrammatically. So this flow diagram shows there are two models in our process. One is the semi-open model and another one is the open model. So there is a slight difference between the semi-open and the open model. So more intermediates and adversaries are in the semi-open model and less number of adversaries are in the open model. So here we are sharing data between users with some constraints between their adversaries. So here owner have to specify the data and so the key, and data and key are separately stored in different places, and then if the user wish to observe that file, then the user have to request to the DSP. So that authorized service provider will get a key from DSP, and the user directly gets the file from the server. So this process came under the semi-open model. So there is more intermediate between the owner and the user of the files. So when coming to the open model, so only there is a two persons in as a intermediate. So the data and key are both combined and stored and maintained by the SSP, and the service provider will get that and send it to the user regarding to their need. So there is no need for splitting the data and the key. So no confusion or the no incorrect results rise in this model. Then comes the running procedure of our process: verifiable and exculpable outsourced attribute-based encryption for access cloud in cloud computing. So first we have to run the home.java page. So this is the home page of our process. So this is the registration and login page for both the data owner and the client. So first let us see about the data owner process. So we have to enter the details. So register. So register successful as a data owner. So we can use this username and the password to log in. So we have to select here data as data owner. So the login was success. So then we have to select which model we are going to run. So in the semi-open model or the open model. So first let us see about the semi-open model. So here the semi-open model process. So here there is two process for the data owner. So uploading process. First let us see the uploading process. So here we have to select the file. So this was the file content. So the file was uploaded successfully. So the file should be sent to the DSS and the key should be sent to the ACSS. So here we are sending. So the next process, that is the status checking. So here there are two processes we see. So one is the upload, another one is so this is the status. So this file only we are viewing. So here the status will be just sending the send process. So because it was not accepted by the both DSS and the ACSS. So let us see the DSS and the ACSS process. So here I am going to run the DSS. So here we have to upload the process. So then we have to run the ACSS status. So here we are going to approve the for the ACSS. So the process was approved. So if we check here, now the process was accepted. So that is the process was securely stored. So these are the process comes under the semi-model data owner process. So let us see about the semi-model data user process. So for that we have to run owner login page. So here I am going to register as a client. So here I am going to register as a client. So here I am logging as a client. So then here I am going to select the semi-open. So before we say about the semi-open data owner, here I am going to client. So there is two process for the user request. So that is the list of files in the server will be viewed here. So I am now sending the request. This request will be checked by the DSP. So we have to run the DSP page now. So here I am running the DSP page. So here we have to approve the. So then if we now check the status of the process, then it will be accepted and the file can be downloaded. So this is the content in the file. So these are all the process comes under the semi-open model for the data owner and the user. So now let us see about the open model for the data owner and the user. So here I am logging. So open model. So in the open model also there are the two processes for the data owner. So here I am logging as a data owner. Here I have to select the file. So these are all the file content in the file. So here I am going to upload. So it was encrypted. So here we have to send it to the SSP. So in the semi-open model we have sent the separate file and the key to the different servers. So here I am serving the SSP alone. So if we check the status, it will be in the send process. So this is the process which we see in here. Status. So this must be accepted by the SSP. So let us run the SSP page. So this is the SSP page. So here we have seen the status. So here uploaded. If now we check the process, means it will be accepted. So the file was accepted and securely stored. So then we have to run as a data user in the open model. So I'm logging as a client. So open model. So there are two process: user request, how to list the files. So these are the files. So we have to send the request. So here we have to run the DSP page. So here I'm running. So here it shows the request and it was uploaded. So now if we check the status, means it will be accepted. So okay, content was downloaded successfully. So these are all the process comes under the semi model and the open model user and the owner process. So that's all about the process. Thank you.